So here's EndNote app. So one of the popular research apps out there. So yeah, this is how you can just install it in here. Collect, collaborate, create from anywhere with the EndNote app, the world's most popular research management tool with flexible tools for searching, organizing, sharing research, and creating bibliographies. EndNote app extends your ability to stay on top of cutting-edge research and connect with your EndNote library on the go. EndNote enables you to easily view, edit, organize, and share research material on your iOS device. By syncing research library across iOS, online, and desktop, you increase the power of EndNote by gaining seamless access to your reference library from multiple devices and platforms. The EndNote app includes free sign up, synchronize your library references, attachments, PDF annotations. You can use this app on the desktop, PDF viewers. You can use it for RIC and BIP and other popular reference file formats. So yeah, that's the idea. Sync your library, annotate your PDF, search through built-in browser, and so that's basically the idea.